So those of you that are wondering, what is 0DTE? It stands for 0 days to expiration. It's the very last day of expiration for options. And why is it significant? It presents a unique opportunity, and that opportunity is an exponential decay in premium. Now, what in the world does that mean? Options, they have two different things that comprise their value. They have price movement, which determines something called delta, or the intrinsic value. That is the leverage. That's when you choose an option for a specific price, and if it goes over that price, any amount that it goes over, that's the value. And the cool thing about options is they're very highly leveraged, so you can get that thing for a really cheap price and have it represent anything that you want, any stock or index or futures or whatever you want. You can even do it on the weather. The other thing that it has going for it, because it's a contract, is something called time value. And the more time there is, the more valuable that time value is. That time value is called extrinsic value. Now, for options traders, that extrinsic value is the most interesting part of an option. And on the 0DTE day is the day that extrinsic value changes the most, an incredible amount. So if an option may be, say, a month life cycle, say it goes a month from the time it's created to the time it expires, that extrinsic value starts at a big amount. And that's because it's a value that's attributed to the option because of the future expectation of that option. And so the future always looks bright from an options market point of view. So the value is really big. And then as we get closer and closer to expiration, that value is slowly diminishing until we get to the very, and it's diminishing on a non-linear curve. In other words, it's going like this, and then it's getting faster and faster, and then until the last day, it goes like this. That last day is the 0DTE day. The 0 days to expiration day. And that's what represents the incredible opportunity with 0DTE options. The fact that you can have a change in value so vast in such a short amount of time, that's the opportunity. Now, everybody trades a different version of 0DTE. What an institution does is very different from what a retail trader does, mostly because of their size and the special conditions and trade types that they have. They can do what they do. And it's like a scalping thing, getting little pennies at a time and having huge money and being able to make money in a way that seems almost illegal. But from a retail trader's point of view, and most professional traders, we're on a different plane. We work with a different set of rules, and we trade different strategies. The one that's most popular for retail traders are ones that are associated with a very high win rate. So with options, you can do things like spreads, and you can put these spreads or position them in such a way that you can force a very high win rate. But when you do that, you also force a very high risk. You can also manipulate an option in such a way that you can define what your risk is versus what the potential reward is. And not too many options traders on the retail side are really cognizant of that type of trading, because they're more interested in the high win rate, because that gives them that dopamine drip. Now, a really astute, adroit trader will see that and say, hey, I can make my risk super small so that when I lose hardly anything, and then make my potential profit really big so that when I win big, this way I always stay in the game. So that's the fundamental principle of 0DTE options, creating an asymmetric position, an asymmetric trade, and making the risk very small and the profit potential very big.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable 0DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.